And then you're gonna have the DCT, the distal convoluted tubule.
Okay. That makes more sense.
Okay.
Where's Henley come in? So, okay. Thank you.
Henley is this dude here.
Okay.
And then Bauman's capsule is just an enlargement of like what this?
Yes, yes. This is a renal corpuscle. The outer part is Bowman's capsule, the inner part is the glomerulus.
Thank you.
And then this other model is basically the same thing. So you've got your kidney here, you can see the capsule, the cortex, and the medulla. Can't see all the calyces very well here, but you can definitely see the renal pelvis and the ureter. Here, you can definitely see the collecting duct. Each of these light yellow things is a renal corpuscle. The darker yellow is PCT. You can see the long loop. Looks like the descending limb, ascending limb. Remember your tissue types, the descending thin limb is simple squamous epithelium. The thick ascending limb, simple cuboidal epithelium. And then there's the DCT and collecting duct. And then here you can see those paratubular capillaries. And down here in this long limb you can see the vasa recta, which is those paratubular capillaries around the Henle's loop of the juxtamedullary nephrons. Okay?
Where's the distal tubule there?
They made it white here.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. And so then here we have the same thing, just zoomed in a little bit more. And this one is a little bit more accurate because it's really not linear. It's not like you have the renal corpuscle, the DCT, Henle's loop, or the PCT, the Henle's loop, the DCT, and then the collecting duct. This is all kind of wadded up together. So here, that's actually a better representation. Okay? And here you can see that glomerulus up really close. This area right here, the DCT is actually going to come back past through things. So this is the juxtaglomerular complex. These cells right here, these taller cells. So that's the area that's going to sense blood pressure, blood volume, which is going to affect the release of what? Renin and erythropoietin. Okay, so this area right in here is the juxtaglomerular complex. Those tall cells there are called the macula densa. Okay, any questions?
You said
Juxtaglomerular complex.
So that's the renin-angiotensin.
That's where the renin is going to be released from. Then renin is going to, then it's going to start doing its whole thing through the body. Renin will go to the liver, it's going to do its conversion things, then we'll have angiotensin 1, which will go to the lungs, we'll have angiotensin 2, and that angiotensin 2, a couple of things it's going to do. One, it's going to stimulate the release of aldosterone, which is going to come back and target the DCT and tell it to retain sodium. It's also going to stimulate the release of ADH, which is going to target the collecting duct to retain water. Everything's coming together.